Hello, Parrot.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. My name is Parrot. I'm 7 years old. I'm from Nam.
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam. Nam. I have one nose. I have 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. I one body.
Okay, Parrot. Parrot, what drink do you like?
I like orange juice and milk.
Very good. What food do you like?
I like pizza and rice.
What can you see in your room?
I can see a camera and mirror.
A mirror. Wow. What do you have in your backpack?
I have a pen and pencil. And pencil.
Okay. What sports can you play?
I can play tennis and basketball.
Good job. And tennis, basketball, and
soccer.
soccer. Very good. What game can you play?
I can play Monopoly and hide and seek. And hide and seek.
Monopoly, hide and seek, and
snooker.
snooker. Very good. Let's talk about countries. Okay, without Vietnam. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada and Brazil.
Canada and Brazil. Give me a high five. High five, high five, high five. Good job. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I have
In the morning, I
wake up, brush my teeth, brush my hair, dress,
breakfast.
have breakfast, go to school.
How do you feel?
I feel happy and sad.
How is the weather like today?
It is hot and tired
and sunny.
and sunny.
How many seasons do we have?
We have 4 seasons:
Name them.
autumn, summer, winter, spring.
Very good. What time is it? Number 1.
6 o'clock.
What time is it? Number 5.
Is 8 o'clock.
What time is it? Number 4.
Has past 7.
What time is it? Number 2.
Has past 6.
6:30. Very good. What are you wearing?
I wear the t-shirts
And
blouse.
blouse. Very good. What dress? What is this?
And the dress
Dress. What about this?
is socket.
Socks.
Sock
And this?
is jeans.
Jeans. Very good. Good job. Bye bye.
Bye.